We're going to take our Wordly Wise Lesson 3 test. Question number 1. A horde of people waited outside the auditorium. A synonym for the word horde is line, circle, crowd, or scattering. Question 2. The twins have distinct personalities. The synonym for the word distinct is different, strong, similar, or unusual. Remember, synonym means same. Question 3. Allison's version of events is incredible. A synonym for the word incredible is detailed, believable, vague, or unbelievable. Question number 4. New England was a sanctuary to the Puritans. A synonym for the word sanctuary is opportunity, goal, dream, or refuge. Question 5. Few people inhabit that region. A synonym for the word inhabit is visit, study, explore, or occupy. Question 6. The book describes the splendor of ancient Rome. A synonym for the word splendor is decline, accomplishments, glory, or society. Number 7. Not far from the palace, people lived in squalor. An antonym, that means opposite, for the word squalor is fear, misery, which is like being miserable, elegance, or ignorance. We want the opposite of squalor: fear, misery, elegance, or ignorance. Question 8. The village's inhabitants went to the market on Saturdays. An antonym for the word inhabitants is tourists, employees, citizens, or shopkeepers. What is the opposite of inhabitants? Question 9. Rain has been abundant these last 2 years. An antonym or an opposite word for the word abundant is predictable, destructive, irregular, or scarce. Scarce means not very much. Question 10. Summer can be humid in the southeast. An antonym for the word humid is rainy, sunny, dry, or cool. We want the opposite of humid. Question 11. Rural areas are shrinking. An antonym for the word rural is country, urban or relating to the city, settled, or fertile. Fertile means lots of things grow there. 12. Justin had a hectic school schedule. An antonym for the word hectic is simple, confusing, busy, or stressful. What's the opposite of hectic? Question 13. We're back to normal meanings. The rock grazed the bear's shoulders. This meant that the rock hit the bear with great force, sailed over the bear's shoulder without touching, barely scraped the bear as it went past, or drew blood from the bear. Number 14. The three men crossed unfamiliar terrain. Terrain means a city grid, mountain ranges, trails, or regions. Number 15. Which is most likely to have an arid climate? A seacoast, a port town, a northern rainforest, or a desert? Which one is most likely to have arid climate? Number 16. If a country has an abundance of natural resources, it has no resources, unknown resources, plenty of resources, or a shortage of resources. Number 17. Which of the following has a distinct smell? Fish, salt, water, or paper? Question 18. The geese found sanctuary in the park. Sanctuary means food, protection, nesting materials, or rivers and ponds. Question 19. Where is an animal most likely to graze? In a dense forest, in a pasture, on top of a mountain, or in a barn? Number 20. Which is most likely to appear squalid? A palace, an office, an alleyway, or a library? Question 21. A region's terrain is its social history, government, surface features, or river system. Which one is its terrain? Question 22. The opera production, the opera is where people sing, was splendid. This means that it lasted a long time. Inspired arguments, took place in a huge theater, or impressed the audience. Question 23. A peninsula is a piece of land almost completely surrounded by mountains, water, canyons, or clouds. Number 24. The room most likely to have high humidity in your house is the bathroom, the living room, the bedroom, or the dining room. Okay, I pray that you're doing well. I'm praying for you.